Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In this video, we will solve a question on probability in context of A-level mathematics S1. So if you read the question, it is talking about a survey of the residents about the reliability of the internet services. So three categories that they have given here. 12% rated for service as a poor, 36% rated as a satisfactory, and 52 rated as a good. In this video, I have taken only part A. So when you read the question, you understand that this is related to binomial distribution. And when we talk about binomial distribution, the first thing comes in our mind is that we need two parameter, random sample and the probability of success. So here we are talking about the reliability. So in this question, part A, it is talking about internet services as a poor or satisfactory. So two parts are merged here, right? So this is something different compared to the other questions which students usually do. And sample is of size 8. So we can write here n is 8 and probability of poor and satisfactory we will add up. So 12% we will add up with 36%. So altogether it will be 48%. So now if I write in the binomial distribution, it will be 8, 0.48. Now let's see what else is asked. Find the probability that more than 2 and fewer than 8 of them are rated, have rated as a poor or satisfactory. So in mathematical notation, we will write it as x is greater than 2 and less than 8. Now equal to symbol will not come here because question is saying more than 8 and fewer than 8. So that's why equal to symbol will not come here, which means we have to find out the probability between 2 and 8, which makes it 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now you remember the formula for the binomial distribution. What is that? So I will find it out here. Let me write here for you. I will find out probability for 3, probability for 4 and so on till probability of x equals to 7. Okay, so now the formula will be, it is NCR, PR, Q and minus R. P represent the success, probability of success, and Q is failure, right? So in this case, my N is 8, which shows the total sample. So the formula will become 8C3, P is 0.48, it will have 3, and Q is what? 1 minus P is called Q, right? So Q is 0.52 because 1 minus 0.48 will be 0.52. So it will be 8 minus 3. Now 8 minus 3 is what? 5, right? Similarly, I will write it for the rest of the terms. So very quickly, let me write it down here. Sorry, now I will write 4 here, not 3. 0.52, 8 minus 4 is 4. Then I will write for probability of x equals to 5, which will be, so like this you will write it down, all of them. Then for 6. And the only thing is when students, sorry, I forgot to write here power 4, okay. 8 minus 6 is 2, then 8C7, 0.48 power 7 and 0.52 power 1. So now we have all the terms, and now use calculator very carefully, and the answer will be 0.825. So you have to use calculator carefully. I would suggest that for each term, use the calculator and write the answer. For example, calculate for this part, write down the answer in 4 decimal place, then calculate for this part. If you will do all in one go, at any point if you will make a mistake, the whole thing you will have to type again. So better do stepwise and then add up. So this will give you the probability that more than 2 and fewer than 8 of the residents have rated the internet service as a poor or satisfactory. Thank you. In the next video, we will see part 2 of it, which is related to approximation.